So let's take a look at setting up this Einhell battery powered lawnmower. This is a GECM 1833Li, but there's a few different versions of this. But the setup is all the same, some slight variations on different ones you can buy, but annoyingly with this it's not come with any setup guide at all. So I've just assembled a bit of it here to see how you can get started, just in case you're wondering, just to show you the handle. So this goes down here and this part goes on here. Now to find the parts, this company have put these in here. They're kind of hidden away, so if you can't find the parts that come with it, these parts are in here. So all you've really got to do is put the handle on, that's it. But it's not quite as straightforward as you might think it is without a setup guide. So I'm going to show you how to put the handles on, how to fit the grass box, and how to get up and running. So in the box you'll find this handle here. We've got a rubber end on each part, but the angle part here might be quite obvious. This goes down and sits into here, and you've got this part here with the washer on. This goes through here into the actual part behind here and tightens up. This washer is just one washer. I thought it came apart and one went on at each side, but obviously it doesn't because the handle fits into there. So you get this handle on here and do exactly the same thing at the other side as well. So now we've got both of these lower parts of the handle on, I'm going to fit this upper part here. This already comes attached to the mower via the cable here, and it comes with these clips as well, and these screw in, and then they're like quick release handles. So I'm going to get someone help me to lift the other side of this on, and we'll try and lift this on. I'll do my best to show you exactly how this goes together by zooming in on here a little bit for you. Okay, so let's lift this handle on here. If you go around there you can help, can't you? So we're going to lift this onto here. It's going to take a couple of you to do this, I think. I'll unscrew this from here. I'm going to put it through, and I'm going to put it through the top hole on this side. There's two different height adjustments you can have on here. I'll pop that through there, pop that through there. I'm going to put the washer on, and then I'm going to put this into here and start threading this on a little bit. And I think you only need to put this on a little bit, and it's like a quick release handle. Once you get it to a certain point you can kind of clamp it shut. So I'm going to go a little bit tighter than that, and this just clamps shut like that, and the whole thing is tight. I'm going to do the same at the other side. So I'll just quickly take this off the tripod so you can have a really close up look at what we've got. You've got the handle here where the screw goes through, this side here with the washer on, and this part here lifts up and down. So hopefully you can see that that's how that goes. And I'll just, while I'm here, film down to the bottom as well for you, so you can just see the bottom of the handle and the washer and how everything goes at the bottom. So now we've got that connected, I'm going to show you how to put the battery in, how to put the key in to make this thing work, and how to put the grass box on as well. Okay, so the next step is to fit this battery here. This just slides in under here, and it kind of hangs down from the top here. So if you pop that in there, just push this in, and it clicks just past the point. What you'll find then is this actual mower doesn't work until you've fitted this key. This is actually a safety key, and you pop this in here and it pushes right in. You can let go of this, and now I'll show you how to turn this on. So put this up on the floor at a safe height. To get this to work, you've got to press the button on the top and then pull up the lever. So the final step I'm going to show you now is how to fit the grass bag on the back of this machine, and then you're all set up for summer. So I'm going to show you how to fit this little grass bag as well that comes with it. You just lift up this flap here, and then you just push this inside here, drop it down and let go of the flap. This is the whole thing assembled, so I'll just film around and show you exactly how these handles are now. We'll have a good close-up look at this, and you can see in here how these are tightened, how these are fastened, these quick release ones here. This is exactly how they go, like that, and everything's nice and tight. In the box as well, actually, there's actually some cable ties here you can put down the side. Come with a little plastic bag that had all the other bits in, and you can clamp this down the side of the handle as well. So these are the little clips that come with it. I'm just going to push these on here. Oh, your cable actually goes inside there, doesn't it? That's quite a nice idea. Rather than clipping over the top, your cable actually sits in that part, and this thing clips over there. We've got one there, and we've got one here as well. We'll put the actual cable inside this fitting here. We'll pop that on there, slide it round, keeps your cable nice and tidy out of the way. So I hope that helps you set up this Einhell battery powered lawnmower. Real shame there's no instructions with it. Hopefully this video has helped you out. There will be a link to this actual lawnmower in the description of the video as well, so be sure to take a look down there if you're looking for a battery powered lawnmower, and say thanks in the comments. I really appreciate that as well. Thanks for watching.